Hello my dear friends. I hope you and family are doing well. Let me welcome you to the exciting world of birds. Will you remember subscribing, please? The greenfinches are small passerine birds in the genus Chloris in the subfamily Carduelinae within the Fringillidae. The species have a Eurasian distribution except for the European greenfinch, which also occurs in North Africa. These finches all have large conical bills and yellow patches on the wing feathers. The greenfinches were formerly placed in the genus Carduelis. Molecular phylogenetic studies showed that the greenfinches form a monophyletic group that is not closely related to the species in Carduelis, and instead is sister to a clade containing the desert finch and the Socotra golden-winged grosbeak. The greenfinches were therefore moved to the resurrected genus Chloris, which had originally been introduced by the French naturalist Georges Cuvier in 1800 with the European greenfinch as the type species. The name is from ancient Greek khloris, the European greenfinch, from khloros, green. The genus contains 6 species. Black-headed greenfinch found in Yunnan, northern Laos, eastern Myanmar and adjacent areas of Vietnam, Thailand and northeastern India. European greenfinch, found in Europe, North Africa and Southwest Asia. Grey-capped greenfinch, found in East Asia. Bone-in greenfinch, found in the Ogasawara Islands. Vietnamese greenfinch, found in Vietnam. Yellow-breasted greenfinch, found in northern regions of the Indian subcontinent. That was a cool journey. Thank you for your interest in wildlife. See you pretty soon. Till then, take care and be safe. Ciao.